Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. I have a set of cases here for a Sportster. I bought a boatload of Sportster parts, and this comes with it. This is a 1975 Sportster, engine cases only. It appears like these flywheels have just been done. I mean, there's no twist at all. I mean, it looks like the rods have just been done. I don't know the story. I bought all the stuff off a guy. And anyway, it all looks good. These are matching cases. The Harley numbers on the bottom are the same, and they all match the serial number of the motor. Now, I don't know Sportsters that well, if they're XLCH or XLH. I think it'll all work. I know there's a difference in the frames, but I think the XLCH took pretty close to the same cases because they had a block-off plate here where electric start goes. Not positive. I don't take that to the bank, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, we have the bottom sprocket cover right here has been repaired. It's a little broken away here, and it's been repaired. That could be fixed. And then everything else looks good. I don't see any real issues anywhere. And we're offering these for sale as is. Keep in mind there's no title, so this would be good for a project. I don't know any history of the title or anything like that, so I'm selling them as parts. But I suspect that these rods are either new or like new. Flywheels are good, and like we said, there's no twist, there's no up and down play, so this looks pretty good. So we'll be offering these for sale on eBay at no reserve. Thanks.